Namaste, dear friends and our patients. I am Dr. Krishnapriya, working for Calendula Clinic. I am from India, that is God's own country, Kerala, the earth of Ayurveda. My pathway to becoming a doctor is an interesting part. Actually, it's very interesting part. In my childhood, in my school age, I was learning Sanskrit language for 7 years. This Sanskrit language made me to become Ayurvedic doctor. This is the interesting part to become an Ayurvedic doctor. When I was learning this Sanskrit, I was thinking I need to do something in the universe for despite of without losing this Sanskrit language. After my school days, the reality came to choose my career and my passion, and I was thinking, why should I choose like Ayurveda course? So I done my graduation from Rajiv Gandhi University in Bangalore, that is in India. And now why I chosen the Ayurvedic doctor? Because that which the science, which is the reality that not only the curing, this preventive and to maintain your health, it's explained. The Acharyas, that is the philosophers of Ayurveda. The Ayurveda is an ancient system of medicine that is originated 5000 years back in India. And my aim and objective and my ultimate goal, even though it is an Indian system of medicine, I want to be a world system of medicine. So I just want to explore the Ayurvedic knowledge to the world, which will help for the future generation. And now the people are having not only the physically, the psychologically also people are suffering a lot. When I came to Europe, I really realized that the people are more psychologically affected. So the science, the Ayurveda, which is not physically, not only the physically, the psychologically also very effective treatments are there. Not only the preventive, three main aims of Ayurveda is there: preventive, curative, and to maintain your health. So I chosen this Ayurvedic science. Today I thought of teaching you how to start your day in the morning till the evening for the sleep. According to Ayurveda, according to Ayurvedic science, the one book is the Ashtanga Hridayam, written by author Vakbada. The main Acharyas are Charaka Samhita, Charaka, Sushrut and Vakbada. Charaka written the Charaka Samhita, Sushrut is having Sushrut Samhita, Ashtanga Hridaya or Ashtanga Sangraha written by Vakbada. So when we are in the graduation time, we learned all philosophical books. These all written for these Acharyas, written for coming generation, for to keep their healthy and good progeny, healthy lifestyle, because coming generation will be having all the things. They will be having big bungalows and lots of different cars and lots of money, family, everything, but they don't have good sleep, or they don't have this happy day. In the last, when they are sleeping, they will think, what I have done today. One small part of Ayurvedic classical textbook, it's called as Dinacharya. What is this Dinacharya? Dina means day, Charya means regimen. So it's combined Dinacharya. your daily routine. What are the things you can do for your daily routine to keep your healthy lifestyle? It's explained Brahma Muhurte Uttishtet. According to Sanskrit, it's explained like this. So what is this Brahma Muhurta? That is before sunrise, 45 minutes before sunrise, we need to wake up. It's different each countries, but wherever you are, you can wake up before sunrise. Then you will be thinking, why I should wake up early in the morning, right? What I will do if I wake up early in the morning? I have to go to office like 9 o'clock, and why should I wake up 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock? If you really want to get some benefit, you can wake up early in the morning before sunrise, and soon after you wake up, you can go to bathroom and you need to pass your urine and toilet every day. That is big one. Nowadays, lifestyle, most of the people are suffering the GIT tract disorders, that is gastrointestinal disorders. That is, some people are suffering constipation, insomnia, different kinds. These two are very related. If one person is not slept properly in the last night, they will be suffer with constipation in next day, because it's physically and psychologically affected, these two. Ayurveda suggests this is the holistic science, that which merely not only physically, physiologically and psychologically also acting in the holistic approach. So it's explained that Brahma Muhurte Uttishtet. You have to do first one, you need to cleanse your urine and fecus soon after you wake up. The second thing, you need to brush your teeth after that. So according to Ayurveda, it's explained some drugs which will use to do the brushing. Nowadays different kinds of toothpaste are coming, right? Different kinds of like this calcium, that, and different kinds of toothpaste. And the herbal toothpaste you can use for Danda Davana. According to Ayurveda, we used to call Danda Davana. Danda means teeth, Davana is a brushing. You have to do that Danda Davana each and every day. Why need to do? If you do something, we need to get some benefit, right? Why we need to do the brushing of teeth? You know, when you do the brushing of your teeth, not only the cleansing your materials of the another day, we have in the tongue taste buds are there. So when we clean all our oral cavity, which will remove the toxins as well as which will give the taste for the food. So the people won't be affected with anorexia things, and the people will be telling, the patient will be telling, doctor, I don't have taste in the mouth for the food. So they will be having not the habit of not to doing the toothbrushing. Then that is explained in the classical textbook. And what is third one after cleansing and toothbrushing? We need to do oil massage. If you have, nowadays we can use different aromatic oils and other, but we have herbal oils for the head, for the body. It's explained like this: Abhyangam ajared nityam sa jarasrama vadaha shirasravana padeshu tam visheshena shilayed. It's explained like this in the Sanskrit. That means Abhyangam ajared nityam. That means every day we need to do the oil massage. Why we need to do? We need to get some benefit, right? So when you do the oil massage, whoever want to become 10 years younger, they can do the everyday oil massage. Particularly the head massage, Shiro Abhyangam, that is oil massage with medicated oil. Some specific manner is the specific rhythm. If you do very good head massage with the particular medicated oil, your eyes vision and drishti prasadana pushti ayu, it's explained, that is very good vision. When you are become old age, your vision not be blurred things. And pushti, that is you will be like a beautiful luster, and when you do the oil massage, and your skin tone and your neuromuscular diseases we can prevent somehow. This is explained. The third one, you have to do the very nice oil massage, and it's mainly explained shiras sravana padeshu, that is head, that is shiras, sravana our ears, and padeshu, that is our foot. In the Europe, most of the people are suffering this insomnia, that is because of stress and not proper sleep. Some people will be sleeping 3 or 4 hours. I was just thinking how they can survive in another day. I can't be like that. If we need like 6 to 8 hours minimum sleep every day. If you sleep, you can maintain your health. Then next one, what is after this? You can do small exercise, that is vyayama. According to Ayurveda, that you can do yoga, either yoga or small, what you can do, small exercise you can do, which will active your circulatory system. Small, like 10-15 minutes, it depends on you. And after that, if you do that, you will be more active in whole day if you do vyayama. And after that, you can do nice shower. After this cleansing, you can do nice shower with warm water, not hot water, not cold water also, it's a warm water. We can take shower, because after warm water shower, this circulation and our all system will be very active. This activeness keep for whole day. That is, when the morning routine, if you do it whole day, you can keep it for healthy lifestyle. And after yoga, and after some people we can do according to the time, we can do the nasyam, that is not every day is in the home, it's difficult to do, but usually in Calendula we are doing that, which is cleansing your nostril, because it's the main entrance to the brain. So we used to cleanse the nose for any respiratory problems not to affect. And we used to do gargulization, that is Gandusha. Navana Gandusha is explained. Navana Gandusha means nasyam we can do, and Gandusha, gargulization, we used to do with the mouthwash, right? Normally for you understanding is the mouthwash, but in Calendula we are giving this all procedure, the big work for the patients. Whoever comes here in the morning, they need to do the brushing teeth with medicinal toothpaste, and they need to do the nose cleaning with medicated oil, and they need to do the nose powder for nasal administration, and nose massage with the medicated ghee, these things. And we used to do the Shiro Abhyangam and oil massage for all patient, depends on the condition. We used to do that. Then if you do these things in the early morning, which is very good to preventive for some diseases and to curating some diseases and to maintain your health. And you have to take the breakfast after this snana. It's mandatory, you need to take the breakfast, because when you are skipping the breakfast, there will be more gastric juices, the Agni, the digestive fire won't be proper. The Agni won't be proper. Then if your Agni won't be proper, there will be leads to another diseases. So why we need the lots of diseases. We can prevent, we can curate, we can maintain our health, right? So if you follow these things, you can attain good, happy life. And after breakfast, you can do your daily routine. And at night, the night charya is there, that is Ratri Charya. After sunset, not be too long for the sleep. So after sunset, you have to be like just 1 hour, 2 hours. After that, you have to be at the bed. I know it's difficult here in the Europe, but when you follow in the 10 o'clock for the bed, in the morning, like 5 o'clock wake up, it will be perfect for one person to be a healthy lifestyle. And some people will be applying Anjana, right? What is this Anjana? That is collyrium. Collyrium, which is very good for eyes. It's not only to become a beautiful, it's for the eye nourishing and for treating eye diseases. And if you have like good Anjana, that is good herbal collyrium, you can apply it every day, which is explained in classical textbook. It's not the cosmetic things. It's not the cosmetics things. A herbal collyrium is available, so that we can take it, apply in the morning time. That which is very good. It's explained. And these are the things you have to do in the daily routine. That is Dinacharya. If you do this, you can prevent most of the disease. I am sure about that. And we can cure most of the diseases, and we can prevent curative and to maintain the health as well. Next classes, I hope to see you all. Keep watching. I will be coming with next good information. Namaste to all. Loga samasta sugino bhavantu.